Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin at the nearest hub with essentials ready. Make sure your character level and stamina meet entry limits, and that cold resistance gear is equipped. Once done, mount a fast steed or transport to shorten travel time, and open the world map to drop a waypoint directly on the frozen Mist Valley portal coordinates. You should now queue any consumables, healing and warmth potions, and double-check inventory slots so looting or event rewards don't block critical items before you travel. You travel along the waypoint trail, using map markers and landmark cues to stay oriented. Once you leave the hub, maintain viewpoint on the map to avoid veering into dangerous high-level zones. Use designated shortcut paths through cliffs or tunnels to save time, and activate speed buffs or stealth when crossing exposed ice fields that spawn patrols. As you approach the valley rim, reduce sprinting to conserve stamina and scan for the portal entrance. Then prepare a quick escape or recall method in case of sudden aggro. You trigger the portal mechanism or interact with the valley entrance object. Once activated, step through promptly while watching for initial spawns. After entry, clear immediate threats around the landing area and secure a small safe zone where you can heal and reorganize inventory. Then proceed to claim any objectives or markers required by quests. If you cannot enter or find the portal blocked, check your quest log, confirm party members are synced, and relog if necessary. That single restart often resolves instance or phasing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.